What I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about yourself and the world around you. If you're seeing this video, it's no coincidence. The universe has been whispering to your soul, nudging you towards a path of awakening, a journey that only the chosen ones can embark upon. You are about to step into a realm where your spiritual sensitivity is not a burden, but a gift, a calling to something greater than yourself. In this sacred moment, I invite you to breathe deeply and feel the energy coursing through your being. This is your call to awaken, to rise beyond the mundane and embrace the extraordinary essence of who you truly are. You are here because you are ready to embark on a transformative journey that will illuminate your path and align you with your divine purpose. I encourage you now to comment 77 below as a sacred symbol of your spiritual connection and readiness. This number resonates with divine wisdom, a confirmation that you are tuned into the higher frequencies of truth and enlightenment. By doing so, you are signaling to the universe your readiness to embrace your divine calling, to step into your power as a chosen soul. Feel the warmth of this invitation. It's time to awaken, to shed the layers of doubt and fear that have kept you from fully realizing your potential. You are not alone on this journey. Together, we will explore the depths of your soul, unlocking the mysteries that have been waiting for you to discover. Are you ready to answer the call? Are you prepared to step into your destiny? The journey begins now. Comment 77 below and let us embark on this path of awakening together. Imagine standing on the precipice of a great battle, not one fought with swords and shields, but a spiritual conflict that reverberates through the very fabric of existence. This is the reality of the chosen ones, a spiritual battle cry that echoes through the corridors of time, urging you to arm yourself with unwavering faith, steadfast prayer, and complete obedience to your divine calling. Feel the urgency of this moment. The world is shifting, and with it comes a profound need to prepare for the spiritual battles that lie ahead. The universe has entrusted you with this mission, not as a burden, but as an honor. You have been chosen to stand as a beacon of light in the midst of darkness, to wield the spiritual weapons of love, compassion, and truth. The prophetic warning is clear. The time to arm yourself is now. This is not a time for hesitation or doubt, but a time for action and commitment. Close your eyes for a moment and envision yourself clad in spiritual armor, resilient and unyielding. This armor is forged in the fires of faith, tempered with the strength of prayer, and adorned with the wisdom of obedience. Understand that this is not a solitary journey. As a chosen one, you are part of a greater tapestry, interwoven with the lives of others who have also answered the call. Together, we create a formidable force, a spiritual army equipped to face whatever challenges come our way. Let this be your spiritual battle cry: I am ready, I am armed with faith, I am shielded by prayer, I am guided by obedience. Feel the power of these words resonate within you, a mantra that fortifies your spirit and emboldens your soul. In the coming days, take time to cultivate these spiritual disciplines. Engage in daily prayer, seeking guidance and strength from the divine. Immerse yourself in the sacred texts that speak to your soul, drawing wisdom and inspiration from their timeless truths. Practice obedience, listening attentively to the whispers of your heart and the nudges of your intuition, trusting that they are guiding you towards your highest good. As you arm yourself for this spiritual battle, know that you are not alone. The universe stands with you, a force of love and light that will never falter. Together, we will face the challenges ahead with courage and conviction, knowing that victory is assured for those who stand firm in their faith. Are you ready to embrace your role as a spiritual warrior? Are you prepared to arm yourself with the tools needed to navigate this journey? The time is now. Stand tall, stand firm, and let your spiritual battle cry be heard. As we continue on this sacred journey of awakening, we come to understand the crucial importance of building our spiritual foundation on solid ground. Just as a house built on sand will crumble in the storm, so too will our spirits falter without a strong foundation of faith. In times of uncertainty and chaos, it is not our worldly possessions or talents that sustain us, but rather our unshakable faith in the divine. Like a rock that withstands the crashing waves, our faith anchors us in the midst of life's storms, providing stability and strength. Take a moment to reflect on the foundations of your faith. Are they rooted in superficial beliefs, or are they grounded in the deep well of spiritual truth? Cultivate a practice of introspection and prayer, nurturing the seeds of faith that have been planted within your soul. Remember, it is not the size of your faith that matters, but the steadfastness of your belief. Trust in the divine plan unfolding before you, knowing that every challenge is an opportunity for growth, every setback a chance for spiritual renewal. As you continue to build upon your spiritual foundation, let faith be your guiding light, illuminating the path ahead and leading you towards your true purpose. Stand firm on the rock of faith, knowing that you are supported by forces beyond your understanding. In this chapter, we journey into the hidden realms of the spiritual world, where the true battle for our souls takes place. It is here, in the unseen reality, that the forces of light and darkness collide, shaping the course of our lives in ways we may not always comprehend. As spiritual beings inhabiting a physical world, we must recognize that our struggles are not merely worldly in nature, but deeply rooted in the spiritual realm. The conflicts we face, the challenges we endure, they are all manifestations of a cosmic struggle between forces of good and evil. Embrace this profound truth with courage and conviction. Understand that your battles are not fought against flesh and blood, but against spiritual principalities and powers that seek to undermine your faith and diminish your light. To navigate this unseen reality, we must arm ourselves with divine insight and spiritual armor. Engage in prayer and meditation, seeking guidance from the higher realms. Clothe yourself in the armor of truth, righteousness, and faith, knowing that these are the weapons that will protect you in the spiritual battles ahead. As you journey deeper into the unseen reality, remember that you are not alone. The universe is with you, guiding your steps and illuminating your path. Trust in the power of divine protection, knowing that you are surrounded by love and light at all times. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are opportunities for growth and transformation. Stand strong in the face of adversity, knowing that you are a warrior of the light, destined for victory in the spiritual battles that lie ahead. As we stand on the threshold of the spiritual battles that await us, it is essential to heed the call to prepare ourselves for the challenges ahead. The time for complacency is over. Now is the moment to equip ourselves with the tools needed to navigate the stormy seas of life. Feel the urgency in your soul as you take steps to fortify your spirit. Engage in practices that strengthen your connection to the divine, such as prayer, meditation, and contemplation. Surround yourself with spiritual teachings that uplift and inspire, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of your purpose. Prepare yourself mentally, emotionally, and spiritually for the trials that lie ahead. Cultivate a mindset of resilience and perseverance, knowing that each obstacle is an opportunity for growth and transformation. Embrace the power of positive thinking, affirming your worth and strength in the face of adversity. Equip yourself with the armor of faith, the shield of prayer, and the sword of truth. These are the weapons that will see you through the darkest of times, guiding you towards the light of victory. Trust in the power of your preparation, knowing that you are ready to face whatever challenges come your way. In the moments of quiet reflection, ask yourself, are you truly prepared for the spiritual battles that lie ahead? Are you ready to stand firm in your faith, unwavering in your commitment to the divine? The time for preparation is now. Arm yourself with courage, faith, and determination, knowing that you are destined for greatness in the spiritual journey that awaits. In this chapter, we delve deeper into the power of cultivating a profound connection with the divine. As we journey through the secret place of our souls, we uncover the hidden treasures of peace, strength, and wisdom that flow from communion with the divine. Embrace the sacredness of this connection, for it is here that we find solace in times of turmoil and guidance in moments of uncertainty. The secret place is not a physical location, but a state of being, a sanctuary within our hearts where we can commune with the divine in intimate silence. Take a moment to still your mind and open your heart to the whispers of the universe. Feel the presence of the divine surrounding you, enveloping you in a blanket of love and light. In this sacred space, you are free to be your true self, unburdened by the expectations of the world. As you deepen your connection with the divine, remember that you are never alone. The universe is always listening, always guiding, always loving you unconditionally. Trust in the power of this divine connection, knowing that it is the source of all strength and wisdom in your life. Embrace the peace that comes from communing with the divine. Allow it to permeate every aspect of your being, filling you with a sense of calm and clarity. Let this connection be your anchor in the stormy seas of life, guiding you towards your true purpose with unwavering certainty. In the secret place of your soul, you will find the strength to face any challenge, the courage to overcome any obstacle, and the wisdom to navigate the twists and turns of your spiritual journey. Embrace this connection with open arms, knowing that it is the key to unlocking your true potential and stepping into the fullness of who you are meant to be. As we near the end of our transformative journey, we come to understand the profound importance of community and unity in our spiritual growth. Just as a single ember can ignite a roaring fire, so too can the presence of like-minded souls ignite the flame of inspiration within us. Recognize the power of fellowship with other believers. Surround yourself with those who share your spiritual journey, who uplift and support you in times of need. Together, we form a tapestry of strength, woven from the threads of unity and love. Feel the warmth and protection of community as a shield against spiritual isolation and attack. In the embrace of like-minded souls, we find solace and strength, knowing that we are not alone in our struggles. Together, we stand as a formidable force, united in our commitment to the divine and to each other. As we stand together, hand in hand, heart to heart, we create a powerful bond that transcends time and space. In this unity, we find the courage to face our fears, the resilience to overcome our challenges, and the love to heal our wounds. Together, we are unstoppable, a force of light and love that shines brightly in the darkness. Embrace the power of community and unity in your life. Reach out to those who share your spiritual journey, forming connections that will sustain you in times of need. Stand together with your fellow believers, knowing that you are stronger together than you could ever be alone. As we stand united in our commitment to the divine, let us remember that we are not just individuals on a spiritual journey, but a collective force of transformation and change. Together, we rise, we shine, and we illuminate the world with the light of love and unity. As we come to the end of this transformative journey, let us take a moment to reflect on the incredible growth and wisdom we have gained along the way. We have answered the call to awaken, armed ourselves for the spiritual battles that lie ahead, built our foundation on the rock of faith, delved into the unseen reality of the spiritual realm, and equipped ourselves with the power of preparation. Now, as we step into our true selves, we embrace the divine connection that sustains us in the secret place of our souls and stand united with our spiritual community, knowing that together we are a force to be reckoned with. In this moment of victory, let us rise and shine as the victorious warriors we are meant to be. Let our light shine brightly, illuminating the path for others who seek hope, purpose, and transformation. Let us spread the message of love, unity, and spiritual awakening to all who are ready to embrace their divine calling. I invite you now to like, comment, and share this message with others who are seeking guidance and inspiration on their spiritual journey. Together, we can create a ripple effect of love and light that will transform the world one soul at a time. Remember, you are a chosen one, a warrior of the light, destined for greatness and victory in the spiritual battles that lie ahead. Rise and shine, dear soul, for the universe awaits your brilliance with open arms. Embrace your true self and step boldly into the divine purpose that has been calling your name since the dawn of time. The time is now. Rise and shine, victorious warriors. Your journey has just begun.